Start with a slip knot and chain 16. Now make one single crochet in the second chain from the hook and continue making one single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1, turn your work and continue making single crochets and take this yarn end along with the working yarn. Again, once you reach the end, chain 1, turn your work and keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. I've made mine up to 4 inches and it's 2.5 inches over here. Now once you reach the end, change color and you can cut off this yarn. Secure it properly. Chain 1 and 3 single crochets in the same stitch. And continue making one single crochet in each and every stitch until the end. Once you reach the end, in the corner stitch you will make 3 single crochets and continue making one single crochet in each and every stitch. Now repeat this all around, and in this corners you will make 3 single crochets, 3 single crochets. Once you reach the last side, just fold your work and gauge the middle point. Till here, make one single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the midpoint, chain 10 and one single crochet in the same stitch. This will make the loop. Now continue making one single crochet in each and every stitch. And to finish off, slip stitch into this first single crochet. And you can weave off your yarn. This is how it will look. For the surface crochet, insert your hook over here and pull up the loop from back and secure this yarn. Now insert it into the next space and again pull up a loop. Keep repeating this. This is how it will look. And to weave off, cut off this yarn and pull up this loop from the back. and secure it. You can give the yarn ends. How the back will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.